Greetings from yet another nudist beach in Stockholm region, and this one is located in Salem Municipality, and it is on a beautiful lake called Tullan, as this one's called Tullans Naturbad, and it's a nudist beach spot in the beautiful nature of Sweden. And it is quite hard to get here by public transport, as the closest bus stop is 2.5 kilometers away. It's called Bovallsvägen, and from there you can travel to the commuter train either to Östertälje or Södertälje. So this one is fairly close to Södertälje, I would say, but it belongs to Salem, and it's one of the few public beaches in Salem, and the only nudist beach in Salem, and also in the southern part of Stockholm. Well, there is also one other in Nykvarn, where I was earlier today, Tullans Naturbad. So Tullans Naturbad and Tullans Naturbad for the southernmost part of Stockholm region. And there was some sun earlier, but now it's hiding behind the clouds, and it is 17 degrees Celsius in the air, and I just measured it is 18.5 in the lake. I'm gonna round up to 18. We have beautiful nature here all around. There is a bench, there is a fireplace, and there are some unknown mushrooms which I think might be poisonous as well as they are quite sketchy, and small sandy beach that you can see. And there is even a parking spot on the main road, and then you need to walk around 300 meters. And now the sun is back, which is amazing for my swim here at the nudist beach Salem. I was here this summer, and that video got a lot of views, so let's see if this one can go viral as well. So yes, I'm definitely in a row with nudist beaches. And actually I ran here from Bovallsvägen, 2.5 kilometers. It took me around 12 minutes. And I will need to run back also now in order to catch the bus. Now it is 1:38 p.m. and I have already been to one other nudist beach earlier today. Check out that episode as well. The lake seems quite nice, and there is even a rocky beach on the other side I can see, but it's a bit hard to get there as it is lots of nature, and it looks quite good, I would say. So yeah, that means that we are ready to go in for a swim at Tullans Naturbad, this nudist beach in Salem, Stockholm. Today is 18th of September and beach day number 117. And this morning it was only 13 degrees when I started to travel from my home, but I did a lot of running today as well. So 7 kilometers back and forth to Tullans Naturbad, and here it will be 5 kilometers back and forth to Bovallsvägen, the closest bus stop. So if you're a fan of nudist beaches, then you should definitely check out Tullans Naturbad. And this continues the stretch of forest here, and on the here just behind the forest there is also a field of sunflowers, which I was surprised. They look so amazing. I have also sunflowers on my balcony as well. So let's then dive in, take a dip at this nudist beach in Salem, Tullans Naturbad. Let's go! Beautiful, amazing. It would be nice to swim here, but I don't have that much time, and I already did swim 15 minutes earlier today at Tullans Naturbad. So yeah, it's quite nice in the water. As I mentioned, 18.5 degrees, so very decent if you ask me. And with that said, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure from Tullans Naturbad on the same name Lake Tullan. And thank you so much for watching this episode with me and following my beach adventures. And I'm gonna be definitely seeing you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.